Oh.
Hey everyone, welcome to another video of the Gun Chef. Today, probably gonna be a quicker video, but right here, I have a pipe going a good foot into the ground here, and it is filled with 4 pounds of Tannerite. I kind of got my inspiration from this one, or for this one, from Matt on Demolition Ranch when he did his Tannerite pipeline. I thought it was kind of cool. I want to see how big of a crater I can make rather than a trench though. So this is my little twist on it. So I already have it all set up, ready to go. I gotta shoot pretty much dead center of that Gun Chef. Hi Murphy. To make it go. And I really hope it works because it's really rocky out here. I left my shovel at home. But luckily I found one sitting out here in the desert. Yeah! It was a sign. God wanted me to do this. I'm also gonna throw it out there. I put on a new scope. And I haven't sighted it in yet. So it might take me a minute to make this thing blow up. Let's see how much ammo I can waste before the end of the day, yeah? So I'm going to be shooting out the bed of my truck on this one because it is buried, and who knows what is buried under the ground and what could come flying back at me. So I'm taking shelter, just so you guys know. All right, let's get this set up. Go from over here, I guess. Get a little field view. Ah, shit. I don't think I hit record on my camera. Oh, look at that cloud, guys. Let's go check it out. So much stuff went up into the air and rained down. None of it came back towards the truck though, so that's kind of nice. But I watched it. I'm not sure if you're gonna be able to see it on the camera or not. But it was cool. And it made a big old cloud. I like big booms. Yay! This is kind of cool, guys. Look at that. That's awesome. Did a little bit more damage than I anticipated. Is this all snow? That's just clumps of dirt. How cool is that? Yeah, I mean, if you look at it from a perspective, it's not terribly deep, but Damn, that's kind of cool. Big ol' hole. Hi, big hole. It stinks too. I'm gonna have to try and find a way to dig a deeper hole and do more tannerite now, because that was really awesome. Super stoked about that one, guys. Yeah. Check this out. I thought I saw one of these fly through the air. That's one of those, the things of tannerite that were inside of that. It still got, yeah, all the stuff in there. How cool is that? At least I think I saw it come out of there. I'm pretty sure I saw something orange come flying out the top. I guess I'll have to see the other footage to know for a fact. I'm gonna look for some more stuff to blow up. So I kinda wanna shoot a bottle of wine with a shotgun. So that's what we're gonna do. Yeah. Alright, last big bada boom. I've been out too long. Need to get back home to the fiancé and the children. But I got that shovel propped on top of a thing of tannerite. I'm gonna see if I can make it do multiple backflips in the air, because I'm bored and I want to make things go boom. So let's do it. Yeah. Let me see. Can you see? Can you see? You can see. Alright, let's do this. I need more ammo. Oh, I forgot to put headphones on, guys. That one really hurt. Ow! Oh. They're on now. Damn it. Oh, I'm too low. Thank you guys. Oh, hang on. I'm a mess today. Thank you guys for watching another video of The Gun Chef. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. I will see you next time. Bye-bye. we doing today?
Shooting.
Oh,